Today's day 7 of 10 days of Easter. Today I'm making Easter basket treats. First I have a greased mini muffin pan and I'm going to add 1 sugar cookie into each mini muffin. Then I'm going to bake these at 350 for 15 minutes. While the cookies are baking, I'm going to get the toppings ready. So in a bowl I have 2/3 of a cup of sweetened shredded coconut and I'm going to add a few drops of green food coloring to that. Next I'm just going to mix that up until the coconut is green and then set that aside for later. Now that the cookies are out of the oven, I'm using a teaspoon to make a little well into each cookie, and make sure you do this as soon as the cookies come out of the oven, and then I'm going to let the cookies cool completely. Now that the cookies are cooled, I have a piping bag with vanilla icing that I dyed green. I'm going to fill each cookie with the icing. Next I'm going to add a spoonful of the green coconut on top of each cookie. Lastly, I'm going to add a Reese's Pieces egg on each cookie. Here's an up-close look of the Easter basket treats.